In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve NTS past paper senior science teacher math according to Euler-Tauschent function. Phi of 35 is equal to solution. That is, first of all, definition: the number of natural numbers less than or equal to n that are relatively prime to n is denoted by phi of n, where n is natural number. The function phi of n thus obtained is called Euler-Tauschent function or Euler-Phi function. Phi of 1 is equal to 1, phi of 2 is equal to 1, phi of 3 is equal to 2. It means if the number is prime number, so 1 subtract, it means 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Phi of 4 is equal to 2 and phi of 5 is equal to 4. Phi of 6 is equal to 2. Phi of 7 is equal to 6. Phi of 8 is equal to 4. Phi of 9 is equal to 6 and phi of 10 is equal to 4. Rule first: if n is prime, then phi of n is equal to n minus 1. If n is composite number, then find the prime number of that number and compute the phi function value as used in 1, otherwise 2.2. Find the prime numbers phi of alpha, phi power alpha of the given number n. For computing the phi values of prime powers, we have to use formula p power alpha minus p power alpha minus 1. So phi of 3 is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2, and phi of 8 is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power 3 minus 2 power 2. So 2 power 3, that is equal to 8, minus 4 is equal to 4. So phi of 8 is equal to 4 and phi of 12 is equal to 2 power 2 multiply 3. So 2 power 2, that is 4 can also be written in power form, that is 4 minus 2 power 1 multiply 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. Phi of 35 is equal to 5. 7 times is 35. So 5 minus 1 into 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6 by 4. 6 multiply 4 is equal to 24. So option B is correct, that is 24. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.